Hi, today I'll give you complete tour of my mini art studio. I'll show you what all the art equipments and recording equipments I have and how I shoot my videos as well as how I conduct online art classes. Come with me. This is my small studio. This is where I conduct my art classes and also I use this as a drawing table. You can see there are a few art supplies. These are Stapler Graphite Pencils and these are Stapler Lumograph Pencils. I use this in regular basis in my drawing. So whatever I use in the regular basis, I keep it on my table. This is pencil sharpener, sandpaper for pencil sharpening, and I also have few other supplies here. I have kept what I use regularly in this table racks itself. There are few racks in this table. You can see here. I have kept all my color pencils in the first rack. I have many different types of color pencil. I will show you one by one. These are Faber-Castell Pick pencils. These are soft pastel pencils. I was using them in making some backgrounds in my color pencil portraits. These are Sennelier soft pastels and these are Camel soft pastels. I have used them in many of my portrait drawings in making background. I have never tried this soft pastels since the Sennelier is expensive. I wanted to try this Camel soft pastels, but I have never done that yet. I still have to try this. Apart from this, I have some extra color pencils here. These are Faber-Castell triangle pencils, Resto metallic pencils. I have got them as a free product from Resto to review them in a review panel challenge. I did not buy them. Resto black and white pencils. I have some colorless blenders as well from Prismacolor. These are Faber-Castell Polychromos. I have two sets of Faber-Castell Polychromos. This is 60 set. These are Resto color pencils, 72 set. I was using these pencils for my online drawing classes. So since my students were not able to afford Prismacolor or Faber-Castell, I was using these Resto pencils in online classes. This as well, I have used them in my online classes. This is portrait set from Resto, skin tone set. This I have got them as complimentary for review panel challenge from Resto. Okay, these are again soft pastels from Resto. I have 3 sets of Resto skin tone sets. Some of them are already empty. You can see these are very tiny. So that's why I had to buy different pencil set. And these are Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils. These pencils give watercolor effect when you use them with the water. And these are Prismacolor's color pencils. I have 48 colors in this. And this is my favorite color pencil. This is portrait set from Prismacolor. Here I have all the graphite and charcoal pencil sets. This is graphite powder. This is charcoal